This time, astronauts saw... I want to send you an urban legend called a rift in space-time. The concept of a rift in space-time is extremely fascinating within the fields of astronomy and physics. It is also a mysterious theme. It's also a frequent topic in science fiction and urban legends, based on the actual structure and phenomena of the universe. Black holes and wormholes, distortions in time and space. There are several important theories and observations related to this. So first of all, the basic properties of space-time. Next, let's take a look at the physical phenomena and theories related to the rift in space-time. Basics of space-time. What is space-time? Space-time is a four-dimensional continuum in which time and space are integrated. It is a framework for describing the world we experience on a daily basis. Alberto. Until Einstein's theory of relativity was introduced, time and space were once considered distinct entities. Einstein's special and general theories of relativity demonstrated it was evident that time and space are intimately connected. In special relativity, time delay, in which the time of an object moving at a speed close to high speed flows slowly, or this explains phenomena such as Lorentz contraction, in which space contracts. Also, in general relativity, it has mass when two objects distort space-time. The concept of a gravitational field was introduced, in which gravity arises. Based on this theoretical framework, space-time is not fixed, dynamic and deformed by mass and energy. It can be distorted. If this distortion becomes extremely large, it is said that there is a theoretical possibility of a rift in space-time. Distortions in space-time and the possibility of a rift. In Einstein's theory of general relativity, space-time is bent by the presence of mass and energy. For example, in extreme gravitational fields like a black hole, space-time is known to distort very strongly. To comprehend the physical phenomena occurring at this moment, we must delve deeper into the concept of space-time rifts. The space-time rift is the space-time structure of the universe is locally broken, or refers to places that show abnormal behavior. This can take several forms. Here are the key examples. Black holes and the strengths of space-time. Black holes are black holes. It's a celestial body with an intensely strong gravitational field. Its gravity is light, being incredibly strong that nothing can escape. It's called a black hole. Black holes. Very large mass concentrated in a small space. Space-time is extremely distorted, and objects and light are the self-proclaimed horizons of black holes. When you cross the line, I can never go outside again. At the center of a black hole is a point called a strong point. Here space-time is thought to be infinitely warped. My specialty is an area difficult to understand within the scope of the theory of relativity. It is said to have infinite density and infinite curvature. Here, the laws of physics break down. The fabric of space-time could be torn. Space-time strengths and rifts. Black holes are good at. It is a place worthy of being called a rift in space-time. Here, the distortion of space-time becomes infinitely stronger. The very notions of time and space can be fundamentally disrupted and collapse. In terms of strengths, because the laws of physics no longer apply. It is said that phenomena different from the real world as we know it can occur. Scientists have, although we haven't completely broken down the detailed behavior of our strengths or what's going on inside them, in some theories, a place like this is a gateway to another universe. It is said that it can be a means to transcend time and space. Quantum gravity theory and elimination of strengths. The problem with black holes is that it is a major challenge that has not been solved in the current framework of physics. General relativity is a very successful theory that explains gravity as a distortion of space-time. Extreme situations, basically in peak moments like excellence or the Big Bang, its limits are truly revealed. To address this issue, many theoretical physicists study quantum gravity theory. The theory of quantum gravity is, by unifying general relativity and quantum mechanics, it tries to explain the infinite distortion and the rift of space-time in which we are good at it. In particular, new theories such as loop quantum gravity theory and superstring theory are... It is said that there is a possibility of eliminating your strengths. Wormholes, tunnels connecting space-time. Theoretical basis of wormholes. Wormholes are... It is a phenomenon that is created as a tunnel connecting different places and different times in space-time. Einstein. Wormholes, also known as Rosenism, are... Alberto in 1935. Einstein and his sister. advocated by Rosen. This is based on the theory that a black hole's forte could be an exit to another place in space-time or another universe. If wormholes exist, can instantaneously connect different points in the universe, moving beyond high speed. Moving beyond time is theoretically possible. However, wormholes are quite unstable, since it is likely to collapse. It is considered difficult to actually use this with current technology and knowledge of physics. Wormholes and rips in space-time. Wormhole, teeth. Time and space are torn. It can be seen as a kind of rift connecting different space-times. Through this rift in space-time, the idea of being able to access another universe or a different time it has significantly influenced numerous works of fiction in a profound way. Especially in themes such as different dimensions and time travel, wormholes often play an exceedingly important role. However, up to this point, no concrete evidence has been discovered to support the existence of wormholes. Although theoretically it remains a possibility, it is very difficult to actually observe wormholes. Also, in order to stabilize the wormhole, theoretically, a substance with negative energy is required. This substance has also not been confirmed to exist in reality. Ticket Thorne suggestions and time travel. Physicist Kick. Thorne also explores and considers the fascinating possibility of utilizing wormholes as a viable means of time travel within the framework of his theory. After carefully moving one of the wormholes at near light speed, by connecting with the other, it has been suggested that the time lag could be used to travel to the past or future. This theory offers the idea of time travel by exploiting the rift in space-time. It is widely adopted even in fiction. However, this is only a theoretical story. Present, in fact, many technical and physical challenges remain. For example, even if wormholes theoretically exist, to stabilize it effectively, a rare and unique substance called exotic matter is required. Exotic ore is said to have a negative energy density, have quite different properties from ordinary substances. It has not been confirmed whether such a substance exists in reality. Also, even if the wormhole existed stably, its size and energy requirements are very large. It is considered quite challenging for us to effectively utilize. 4. Cosmic strings and the rift in space-time. What is a cosmic strings? Another interesting theory related to the rift in space-time is the cosmic pimp. The cosmic pimp is very thin, supposedly formed after the Big Bang. However, it is a string of energy with infinite length, theoretically predicted as a remnant of the total transition that occurred during the formation of the universe. Space pimp is because mass and energy are extremely concentrated. It is believed that it can strongly distort the surrounding space-time. For this reason, where the cosmic string exists, a rift in space-time or anomalous phenomena can occur. If you use the characteristics of cosmic strings and time travel cosmic strings, in theory, time travel might be possible. The concept of dare also exists. For example, if two cosmic strings pass at high speed, there is a theory that we can use the distortion of space-time formed during that time to travel to the past or future. However, it is unclear whether this phenomenon can actually occur, and the cosmic string itself has not yet been observed. The cosmic string is theoretical structures that could cause rips in space-time and anomalous phenomena, but for now, its existence is only a hypothesis. 5 observations and phenomena related to space-time rift. Distortion of space-time in actual observations. Astronomers have to observe the distortions of space-time in the universe. It utilizes phenomena such as gravitational lensing. The gravitational lensing effect is light behind massive celestial bodies such as black holes and galaxy clusters is a phenomenon that bends. This makes space-time distortions visible. This phenomenon is one of the strongest pieces of evidence in support of Einstein's theory of general relativity, how space-time warps, and how that distortion is light, and grasping how it impacts the movement of objects. It is very important in testing theories about cracks in the universe and phenomena we are good at. Track hole observations and rips in space-time. In recent astronomical observations, knowledge about black holes is progressing dramatically. For example, 2. In 1919, the first ever photograph of a black hole was taken. This observation, black hole ambient light, shows an extremely distorted appearance. It confirms that strong distortions in space-time do exist surrounding a black hole, given that space-time is highly warped. It is possible that this acts as a substantial rift in space-time. As the study of black holes progresses, it is expected to provide further insights into cracks in space-time and anomalous phenomena. As yet another phenomenon linked to the rapid expansion of the universe and tears in dark energy space-time, the universe shows signs of accelerated expansion based on current observations. The universe is expanding while accelerating. This phenomenon is thought to be caused by unknown energy called dark energy. The true identity of dark energy has not yet been elucidated. This is thought to be acting on space-time itself, influencing the structure of the universe as a whole. If dark energy forms cracks or abnormal structures in space-time, if you have the power, this will also be an important research subject related to the rift in space-time. In conclusion, the idea of a rift in space-time is fundamental. It is a very fascinating and challenging subject in modern physics and astronomy. Black holes and wormholes, phenomena and theories such as cosmic strings it provides clues to think about how space-time distorts and under what extreme circumstances rips occur. These phenomena have not been completely elucidated yet, especially the strengths of black holes and the existence of wormholes, the effects of cosmic strings, etc. It is expected that it will be further understood by future physics and astronomy research, especially as quantum gravity theory develops. This could result in novel theoretical interpretations regarding the strengths and rifts in space-time. The universe we live in, still shrouded in many mysteries. How the rift in space-time is formed, a comprehensive understanding of how it operates. It is very important in exploring the nature of the universe. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.